Three five-star hotel here in Boracay. So they have their own private beach, private food, and a private boat. The first one is the Crimson Resort and Spa, the white one. So that's the Crimson. Next of the Crimson is the Movie or Club Panoli. So Crimson, Movie, and the last there on top is the famous Shangri-La Boracay. Okay? The cheapest room in Shangri-La for one night is 30,000 pesos for one night, the cheapest one. The most expensive villa is around 210,000 pesos for one night. Okay? So that's the Shangri-La, Moving Peak, and the Crimson. The three five-star hotel that have their own private beach, port, and private boat. So Shangri-La, Moving Peak, and Crimson.